Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to edit multicam videos on LumaFusion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to edit your multicam videos in LumaFusion, then all you gotta do is simply go to LumaFusion. Once you're in your LumaFusion, you need to now to simply edit your multicam videos, use the Multicam Studio add-on to create a special container. You need to add and sync your videos, audio clips like auto, audio, and manual. Then simply use the switcher to tap and cut between angles in real time, doing playback or switch video and audio independently, all within the single container for streamlined editing and effects application. You can simply do this and get your multicam videos edited on LumaFusion. This is simple and easy steps, but you need to be very precise about where to cut and where to angle your videos. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.